Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi, welcome to PMI, Professional in Business Analysis, Study Guide. In this video, we will briefly discuss about what you can do to prepare for this certification. The PMI, Professional in Business Analysis, certification acknowledges an individual's expertise in business analysis, and utilizing these tools and techniques to enhance the overall progress of projects. In addition, the PMI, Professional in Business Analysis, certification carries a high level of professional credibility. It needs a combination of business analysis training, experience working on projects, and examination on business analysis principles, practices, tools, and techniques. This global certification also supports individuals in meeting the needs of organizations that rely on business analysis practitioners to play key roles on their teams. Exam details. The PMI, PBA, examination is a necessary part of the activities commencing to obtaining a professional credential. Thus it is important that the PMI, PBA, examination truly reflect the practices of the business analysis professional. All the questions on the PMI, Professional in Business Analysis exam, have been written and widely reviewed by qualified business analysis professionals, and are backed by current business analysis published references. The certification exam has 200 multiple choice questions, and it gives 4 hours to complete the exam. The examination fee for the members is $405 and non-members are $555. PMI, PBA, is divided into the following fields. You will find the complete tutorial for all topics provided in the link description. Take a look at the requirements for the exam. Exam policies. The candidate should go through the policies of the PMI. The terms and policies are present on the official site of the PMI. The terms and policies include scope of the agreement, definitions, ownership, and use of PMI, intellectual property, links, message boards, chat boards, blogs, virtual communities, and other interactive media, copyright compliance and complaints, etc. Preparatory Guide. 1. PMI Official Website. Visiting the PMI official website is a necessary step while preparing for the PMI, Professional in Business Analysis exam. 2. PMI Training and online courses. The candidate can also opt for the PMI training programs and online courses. The PMI offers training programs on every exam. 3. White papers, books, and guide. The next step in the preparatory guide should be white papers, books and study guides. 4. Practice tests. Practice tests at testpreptraining.com. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.